Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing a graph mapper and connecting the source data. You need a numeric stream such as a number slider or evaluated curve parameters. Once connected, set the graph mapper domain to match your input range, because mismatched domains produce unexpected remaps. Make sure the geometry or parameter data is visible in Rhino. This helps you see immediate effects. If values look flat, increase sample density on the source to reveal the mapping curve behavior. Now manipulate the mapper curve to define how inputs transform into outputs. Select the profile type that fits your intent, then drag control points to create peaks, plateaus, or smooth transitions. You do this because the curve directly encodes the remapping function. Subtle edits change distribution dramatically. Once done, connect the graph mapper output to downstream components, transform, move, or evaluate geometry. Make sure to sample and inspect outputs regularly. To finish, connect the mapped values to the target parameters and verify the geometry behaves as expected. Once satisfied, bake or lock the result to preserve it. Save your graph mapper presets or record slider values so you can reproduce the effect later. If things go wrong, geometry jitter, collapse, or no change, first check the domain alignment and input extremes, then inspect data tree structure for mismatched branches. Resample inputs at higher density to catch aliasing issues and make incremental adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.